Hey guys, Hamlet here from Vodia Networks, and today we're going to talk about park orbits. So what are park orbits accounts on the Vodia PBX? Really, all it is just a space where you can park a call. For example, we use accounts to make that happen. In order to create a park orbit account, just click on Add and put an account number. Since I have 42, I'm going to put 43, and I'll call this park orbit 4. Okay. And so now I have 4 park orbits that I've created. If we go into the new one we created, there's a few things you can do. For example, behavioral music on hold can be something that's already been uploaded, or you can use one of our original MOHs. So I'm going to choose jazz, which is something I put. Then the park reminder, you can turn it off for the domain default. It could be 5 seconds. So let's say after this call has been parked for 20 seconds, I want the park orbit to go to a particular extension. I'm just going to put myself on there, and then it gives you the readout or a play tone. So what's going to happen is that when I get a call on my user portal, I'm able to see the park orbits shown here. I'm going to refresh it because I just created a new one. All right, so I have 4 park orbits. So I'm going to make a call to another extension, and here it is. So this user here, let me mute myself. So I want to take this call and park it. So all you do is grab the call and drag it. All right, so you should be hearing music on hold. This is on hold, and it shows that the call is on hold as well. So either of the parties can retrieve it. So 4001 can just retrieve the call again and engage in the call. If you wanted to park orbit, just do it again. Let's do a park orbit 3, and now it's on park orbit 3. Okay, so let's make another call. Let's see, I'm going to go to extension 4003. All right, so even 4003 has the park orbit shown in green. Even this account can pick up the park orbits. Check, check, check. And if I wanted to park her on 4, I'll park it on 4. And there you go. Shows here on green, which can be picked up from 4001. And obviously, I'm on extension 4002, which my call has been parked on park orbit 4. You can grab it again. Let's go to 4001. Let me just pick up this call. This was the reminder that we set for 20 seconds if no one picked up the park orbit call. So that's another cool feature, right? So you can initially say in the park orbit how many minutes the park orbit should be on, and then you can set a park reminder. You can set it as default, and then the call would just stay parked forever until someone picks it up. So that's how you park a call. Very easy. Let's park a call right now. And there it is. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at support@vodia.com. Thank you.